Doctor? Lawyer? Incredibly famous YouTube star? Pilot? What do you think is the most incredible job in the world? Software engineer, obviously. Hello and welcome, fellow coders. Being a software engineer has many perks, one of which is it makes you incredibly handsome. And in today's video, I'm presenting to you my personal top 5 reasons why I love being a software engineer. So let's go. The very first point on my list is software engineering is a job for everyone. Are you someone who has an eye for colors and user experience? There is a job for you. Or you might rather be a person who likes to solve complex problems and tinker about solutions all day. There is a job for you. Or maybe you are the kind of person who likes to travel a lot and get to know your customers face to face. Well, there's of course a job for you as well. The point is, no matter what kind of person you are, what you like or what you don't like, there are all kinds of software engineering positions out there, and definitely one that suits you best. But there's another reason. If you ever have the urge to look into other parts of software engineering, this is usually no problem. For example, in my team we have both front-end and back-end developers, and even though I'm a back-end developer, I still sometimes work with the front-end guys and help them implement new features or track down bugs, just because I want to. Software engineering is a highly diverse job, which has so much to offer, which directly brings me to the next point. It is super hard to get bored as a software engineer. For the most part, no working day is like another. You constantly need to learn new things like new technologies, frameworks, and sometimes even new programming languages. But it's not just learning new things, you also have to implement new features into existing services, bugs which need to be solved, and technical requirements which must be met. And you also have to make your systems faster and more scalable. It's like every single day there's something new that pops up, something new that you and your team need to figure out, which makes this job highly diverse and extremely exciting. The third point on my list is software engineering is a highly in-demand job, which is one of the reasons why I love it so much. Nowadays, it's very hard to imagine a life without electronic devices, and all of them run on software that needs to be written by you, a software engineer. Basically, every single business out there needs some kind of programming, ranging from the small bakery around the corner who needs a personal website, up to Fortune 500 companies who need software for their products. So they are all depending on software engineers like you and me, which is one of the main reasons why this job gets paid so well. Another reason what's so good about this job being so highly in demand is whenever you feel bored, undervalued, or simply want to see something new. As a software engineer, you can find a new job within weeks or even days. One of the coolest things about being a software engineer is you can basically work from anywhere. All you need is an internet connection and your laptop. And with that, you're good to go. Nowadays, all software engineers I know work from home. I mean, look at the benefits. No more sitting in traffic or having to commute for hours. No more bad tasting coffee or overpriced meals for lunch. No more wearing pants while sitting in meetings. Yeah. But it's not like that you have to work from home. You can also visit your family in a different city and you would still be able to work during the day and hang out with your parents in the evening. And you can even go one step further. If you apply for a new job, you're not restricted to the area you live in. You can even apply for a new job in a different city, country, or even continent. The fact that you're able to fit your job into your personal lifestyle is one of the biggest benefits of being a software engineer. Another reason why I love being a software engineer is I can build things with my bare hands. Well, and a keyboard. As a child, I loved playing with Lego. I was able to build all kinds of crazy things like spaceships, castles, robots, underwater treasure caves, all kinds of cool stuff. No matter what I built though, the process basically was always the same. First, I had a vague picture in mind of what it's going to look like. Then I drafted out a plan, and in the end, I put together brick by brick until it was finished. To me, writing software feels the same. First, I have a vague picture of what it's going to look like. Then I create a detailed plan, and in the end, I put it together line by line. Same as with my Legos 25 years ago. But the best part is, instead of having my spaceship collecting dust on the bookshelf, the software I write impacts thousands and thousands of people, which honestly feels amazing. So there you have it. These are my personal top 5 reasons why I love being a software engineer. But wait, there's one more. I have a bonus reason for you, which is very personal to me and probably the most important one. And that is that basically anybody who wants to can become a software engineer. To land a junior level job, you do not need a college degree or any kind of special education. You can basically learn it all by yourself. Because these junior level positions have fairly low entry barriers, I was able to land a job without having any real world coding experience. All I knew was the very basics of C and Java, but still, it only took me one interview. I'm 100% certain that anybody who wants to can actually become a software engineer. And that is the #1 reason why I love this job so much, because if the requirements would be higher, I wouldn't have ended up becoming one. So these are my reasons why I love this job so much. Now tell me about yours. What was the reason why you got into it? What do you love about this job so much? Or what of my reasons resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments down below. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. And until next time, keep on coding.